Hello friends, meet again with me Wahyu Widayati. On this video we will learn about lines.
Wahyu Widayati. Pada video kali ini kita akan belajar bagaimana cara membelajarkan tentang garis.
The teaching aid that we will use this time is a geoboard which is equipped with pins and rubber bands. The first we will create parallel lines. How is it?
Alat-alatnya sudah siap, mari kita mulai saja. Yang pertama, kita akan membuat garis-garis sejajar. Bagaimana caranya?
First, we put a pin at a certain point. Then we put another pin at a certain point. Then we connect the two pins with a rubber band.
Kita letakkan paku yang lainnya di titik tertentu. Kemudian kita hubungkan dua paku tersebut dengan sebuah karet.
Then we will make another line parallel to the first line.
Akan membuat garis lain yang sejajar dengan garis yang pertama. Langkahnya yaitu kita letakkan paku ketiga.
The steps are: we place the third pin at a distance of 2 units to the right from the first pin. Then we place the fourth pin at a distance of 2 units from the second pin.
Paku keempat dengan jarak 2 satuan pula dari paku kedua.
Then we connect the third and fourth pins. We can ask blind student to touch the two lines.
Keempat. Kita bisa meminta siswa untuk meraba dua garis tersebut.
Now, two lines are said to be parallel if they never intersect, even though the two lines are extended.
Berpotongan walau dua garis tersebut diperpanjang.
We can ask student to touch the lines that we made earlier. We ask to extend the group of his hand down and also up.
Kita buat tadi dengan tangan. Siswa kita minta untuk
After being extended, it doesn't meet or doesn't intersect. Then we can say that the two lines are parallel. We can make the other parallel lines.
ketika setelah diperpanjang tidak bertemu atau tidak berpotongan, maka kedua garis tersebut dikatakan sejajar.
Let's put back a dot, then another dot. Then we connect them with a rubber.
Yang saling sejajar lainnya. Letakkan kembali sebuah titik, kemudian sebuah titik yang lain.
We place the third pin, which is 3 steps to the right. Then we place the fourth pin in 3 steps to the right from pin 2. Then we connect the third pin and fourth pin.
Paku ketiga yang berjarak 3 langkah ke kanan. Kemudian paku keempat kita letakkan 3 langkah ke kanan dari paku kedua. Kemudian kita hubungkan paku ketiga dan paku keempat.
So then we asked blind student to touch the two lines extended. When these lines do not intersect, even though they are extended, we can say that the two lines are parallel.
Ketika garis tersebut tidak berpotongan walaupun diperpanjang, maka kedua garis tersebut dikatakan sejajar.
Previously, we have made lines that are parallel to each other. Now we will make lines that are perpendicular to each other.
Kita akan membuat garis yang saling tegak lurus.
First, we put a pin at a certain point, then the second pin at a certain point, and then we connect it with a rubber.
Kemudian paku kedua di titik tertentu pula. Kemudian kita hubungkan dengan sebuah karet. Kemudian kita Letakkan
Then we put the third pin in the middle of the line between the first and second pin.
pertama dan kedua. Kemudian paku keempat
Then we place the fourth pin above the third pin with a certain distance. Then we connect the third pin with the fourth pin.
paku ketiga dengan paku keempat.
The line that has been formed from the first and second pins, then the line formed from the third and fourth pins. Let's have a check whether it is a perpendicular or not.
Apakah dia tegak lurus atau tidak? Nah, dua garis dikatakan tegak lurus jika perpotongan dari dua garis tersebut membentuk sudut 90 derajat. Nah,
Two lines are perpendicular if the intersection of the two lines forms a 90 degrees angle.
Dengan cara menggunakan sebuah busur yang
We will prove that two lines are said to be perpendicular by using an arc that has mark every 10 degrees.
Nah, pertama kita pasang.
First we attach it, then we place it on the lower line. Then every 10 degrees we move the rope until it meets a vertical line.
Setiap 10 derajat kita gerakkan talinya hingga bertemu garis yang vertikal.
Now let's count how many angles have been formed.
Yang telah dibentuk.
This is from 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
After we calculate, we find that the angle formed from the two lines is 90 degrees. So we can say that these two lines are mutually perpendicular lines.
90 derajat. Maka bisa dikatakan bahwa kedua garis ini adalah garis yang saling tegak lurus.
Thus my video about the concept of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Thank you.
Garis jajar dan garis tegak lurus. Terima kasih.